Hi, this is Kyle Markham with International Futures Group, a division of EFG Group in Chicago. I want to talk about the grains here real briefly for today, Tuesday, August the 25th. Obviously, yesterday was a pretty ridiculous day as far as all of the markets, especially when you're looking at what occurred on the equity open. You did have the Dow down about 1,000 points at one time, rallied significantly, sold off again. So yesterday was a really peculiar day for the markets. Personally, I thought the weakness in soybeans was a little bit too deep, but you just had a situation where they were just selling everything basically that wasn't bolted down. So when we came in today, it was interesting. You saw some strength early in corn. Corn was able to trade up to 386 3/4. Unfortunately, it was actually at 5 a.m. Realized that was also in alignment with a time when China came out and cut their rates. That caused a pretty decent rally in the soybeans. Corn was also firm, and even wheat. As we continued into the trading session, wheat started to break down. Wheat finished the day down about 8 cents. I think that dragged on corn, as well as the fact that, we do have some intermarket spreading. For a while now, it's been buy corn and sell beans, at least basically since the USDA report. And it seems today there was a little bit of relief in that regard. I wasn't particularly thrilled with the price action in soybeans. We had a rally up to 88 early this morning in the November contract. We then kind of drifted the rest of the day and didn't do anything on the close. I still note considerable strength in the soybean meal market. Until something changes there, I'm still of the belief that I don't really want to be short down here in the soybeans. There's a lot of things that can occur as far as learning more about the crop when we do get to harvesting, but you just can't deny the consistent strength in the meal. So we'll see what exports look like in a couple of days. Obviously, these markets have been pretty chaotic because of what's been happening in the equity world. Problem today, equities rally, dollar also rallies. I don't think that the dollar was very friendly to the wheat market. Wheat dragged on corn, and you also had a little bit of buying of soybeans and selling of corn, which has been, reversed in the coming days. Keep your eye on soybean oil. Soybean oil was actually down the limit almost yesterday, 200 ticks, huge volume, and finally a bit of a reversal. So, they've been selling soybean oil almost since I can remember. If you see continuation improvement on the chart, maybe you can get kind of a relief rally in soybean oil just because it's been absolutely trashed. Nothing really else to report. Keep your eye on all of the markets, especially how the Chinese equity market starts today, or tonight at 8 o'clock, excuse me. Their rate cut was actually after their markets were closed. So we'll see how they get started. Again, this is Kyle with International Futures Group in Chicago. Thanks for listening and have a great day.